Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Hazmat Rod in Fish Aid game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Hazmat Rod is one of the items that you can buy from the traveling merchant and it's not always available guys. And to get the Hazmat Rod, you need to go to the traveling merchant right here on the Fisherman Island. You can talk to the NPC and view the shop. Oops. Okay, and here you can buy the Hazmat Rod. Now it's available and you need to have 1.3 million coins to buy this Hazmat Rod. And it will be refreshed after 14 hours. So you need to be hurry guys if you want to get it. And just remember that it's not always available. Okay, here you can also buy the shiny totem and the other rod. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Hazmat Rod in Fish Ed game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!